Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing wonderful. This is Satish here. So today I would like to speak to you about the topic Jupiter. Jupiter grants you opportunities. Is it true? That is what the question many people keep asking me in through my emails and also through comments under some of my videos. So today I would like to make a video on Jupiter. So what exactly is Jupiter? Jupiter is a planet of fortune. Jupiter is a planet of happiness. Why we call it as per sage Parashara Hora Shastra, Jupiter in the fourth house gives you enough of comforts and happiness. Jupiter is the planet of religion. The people with strong Jupiter are very religious oriented. If at all you have Jupiter in the first house and Jupiter is exalted, then we can say that you are a gift of God. It will remove all the sins in your life because Jupiter placed in the first house, fifth house and ninth house remove all the sins in your life, and also all the bad effects of your chart will be reduced eventually because of Jupiter's placement in the Lagna. Alright. So most importantly, Jupiter in the first house grants you enough of wisdom and knowledge. You are very creative, you are very intellectual enough. You can able to solve any kind of problem with your wisdom. And also you can be acting as a counselor to lot many people. Many people will be approaching you for your counseling, for your knowledge. They will be respecting you for your wisdom. And Jupiter makes the person inclined towards spirituality and social service as well. A lot many people who works in religious organizations as a priest, as pundits, or also as a fathers and all that, those people have strong Jupiter in their horoscope. That is the reason they can able to get into that level of teaching to somebody. Alright. And also all the famous astrologers also have strong Jupiter. Otherwise they cannot able to tell this different dreams of world's knowledge to the general public. For them the Jupiter should be stronger in their birth chart. And also people who are renowned teachers like Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, all those people have strong Jupiter in their horoscope because they get into that level of they'll be respected for their knowledge and creativity. Alright. So and the strong Jupiter makes the person cheerful, hopeful, generous, just incapable of lasting resentment. And also the people with strong Jupiter, especially in the ninth house, they will be having magnetic personality, and most importantly they are very sympathetic in nature. They are very compassionate. They like to be kind to the people. They like to help to the people. And also, as I mentioned to you, Jupiter in the fifth house grants enough of wisdom and knowledge to you. You can become a renowned scholar in that field if at all in your education background, whichever education that you take up, if at all you have fifth house strong Jupiter, you can emerge as a great teacher and scholar. Alright. And Jupiter is the Karaka for Dharma. Jupiter is the Karaka for righteousness. Jupiter is the Karaka for compassion. Jupiter is the Karaka for spiritualism, inner gyan, truthfulness, and also righteousness, as I mentioned to you. If at all you have bad Jupiter, if at all Jupiter is debilitated in your birth chart, if at all Jupiter is sitting in an enemy sign, if at all your Jupiter is been afflicted by Saturn, Rahu and Ketu, then definitely you'll be facing some kind of bad effects from Jupiter as well. You will be, exaggerating the things. Whatever you speak, people will not be understanding. And you have issues with the communication. And extravagance in nature as well. You will be spending too much of money on unnecessary things. You will not be utilize the resources fully into the optimum level. You will be wasting the resources for no reason, and you will be doing too much of shopping. You will be spending the money like a water, and most importantly you will be bragging and complaining about the people as well. This also happens if at all you have a bad Jupiter. And also first house, if at all Jupiter goes into a bad state, let's say first house you have a Jupiter but your Jupiter has been conjunct with Rahu or Saturn, then this person will not be believing into the traditions. They will not be respecting to the elders. Most importantly, these people will be having that fickle-minded. They are fickle-minded people ideally. Okay, all these things happens because of Jupiter. Alright, so that's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching. If at all you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to this channel so that you will be getting more videos in related to Vedic astrology. And if at all you haven't booked for the astrology consultation, the link is mentioned in the description section. Do book for the consultation. Once I get an order, I'll be providing you complete analysis about your birth chart. Alright, so thank you so much and bye for now.